Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video, and today I have the Infinix Hot 60 Pro. And guys, and this is a new budget slash mid-range phone from Infinix, and this phone is costing around only 46,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. So in this price range we have 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB of internal storage. We also have an in-display fingerprint scanner on the front. We also have a 144Hz AMOLED display. We also have a lot of AI features as well, and this phone is offer 6.6mm ultra slim design, so which is a really good thing. So on the back we have some more specification. So we have 45-watt super fast charging with 5160 mAh battery size, Infinix AI adaptive one tap. We also have on the front 1.5K 144Hz AMOLED display, and this is the only smartphone in this price range that has a 1.5K AMOLED display. Also this phone is powered by new MediaTek Helio G200. So we have a refresh in terms of the processor wise as well, XOS version 15. We also have a 13 megapixel selfie camera, Android 15 right out the box. Now let's unbox the Infinix Hot 60 Pro in the titanium silver color, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan. I am little late. Now let's unbox this phone with my knife, and now let's remove the plastic first. And this phone also available in the blue color as well, but right now I have the silver color of the Infinix Hot 60 Pro. We also have IP64 water and splash resistance, which is a good thing. We have Coring Gorilla Glass on the front with NFC. Let's unbox this phone. So on the top we have our device inside this box, Infinix Hot 60 Pro in the silver color. So now let's out the phone from this box. This phone feels really light in the hand. Once again, these are the main highlighting feature. Now let's out the phone from this wrapping. So guys, you can see here it's a silver color looks like. I gotta say, at my first impression, this phone feels really slim despite having a 5160 mAh battery size. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. Now let's see what else we get, and then the phone. So here's our hard case. As you can see, here is the warranty card stuff, licensed by Qualcomm. Here's our 45-watt super fast charger inside the box, which is a really good thing. Also we have our cable, USB type C to USB A cable, and lastly we have our SIM injection tool inside the box, speaker, USB C port, main microphone, as well as our headphone jack. On the left hand side we have our SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray. So you can see we have triple SIM slots, so you can use everything at the same time. IP64 rating. On the top we have another speaker. We also have stereo speakers, so volume up and volume down rocker with a power on button. It is on the right hand side. We also have an additional button which you can use for assistant, as well as you can open any app. You can customize that very easily. So on the front we have a beautiful 6.7-inch 1.5K AMOLED with 144Hz refresh rate. Also we have a center punch hole, and the bottom chin. Overall the bezels, looks really thin. This is the best AMOLED display that we have in this price range. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Infinix Hot 60 Pro. And guys, and the first impression about the display quality, this phone has a AMOLED display. So here is some max brightness, and the display I would say looks really bright. Regarding the brightness wise, once again 1.5K looks really sharp according with my eyes. So let's go to the settings, and here is the notification panel looks like. And now let's go to the about phone. So this phone is running on latest Android 15. So Android 15 right out of the box. So we have XOS version 15.1.1. we have 128 GB of internal storage out of 16.13% it is already used. So let's see the fingerprint scanner. We have in-display fingerprint scanner. You can see in the fingerprint scanner it is fast, I would say, but only when we have the fingerprint scanner logo on the screen. And here is the Infinix AI. So we have these AI features on this Infinix Hot 60 Pro, so which is a really good thing. Circle to search also available. Let's go to the display. So here is the refresh rate. We have 144Hz refresh rate. On default it is on auto, but I will use 144Hz all the time. Let's look at the camera. So this one has a triple cameras on the back. We have 50 megapixel main camera. Also we have a depth sensor, so no ultra wide. So here is the video mode. We also have ultra steady mode, and the back camera maximum shoot only 1440p at 30 fps. We also have a 1080p at 60 fps. And here is the bokeh mode, which give you a background blur in the video. Here is the vlog mode, and here is the portrait mode, which is also available with the 2x. Here is the night mode and the mode section, and here is the slow motion, and here is the dual view video mode, which you can use easily, and here is the pro mode. So now look at the front facing camera. So this phone has a 13 megapixel. And the 13 megapixel, it looks really decent, I would say, overall. And the processing, it is also happening right now. Yes, good quality selfie camera, not the best, I would say. Here is the video mode, and the front camera also shoot 1440p at 30 fps. Here is the ultra steady mode, and here is the bokeh mode. Here is the portrait mode. Here is the night mode, and the slow motion, it is not available. So now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5160 mAh battery size, and combined with the 45 watt super fast charging, and this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. Infinix has done an excellent job in terms of the display wise, in terms of the processor wise, in terms of the camera wise as well. Overall, if you're looking for a best smartphone in this price range, I can definitely say that Infinix Hot 60 Pro is the best option that you can get right now. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Infinix Hot 60 Pro. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.